Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some delicious coquito for the holidays. For this recipe, we're going to be needing rum, cream of coconut, 12 ounces of evaporated milk, and 14 ounces of condensed milk. We're going to be needing cinnamon sticks and cinnamon powder. About 24 ounces of rum of your choice. This recipe can take up to 32 to 34 ounces of rum, but it's up to you. It's as much alcohol as you want to put in it. That's how much you use. Okay, let's begin. Cinnamon, it is up to you as much as you want to put in it. It is to taste. So I'm going to be putting about a teaspoon of cinnamon into the blender, and the sticks are going to be used for decoration. Once we have all of our ingredients in the blender, it is up to you. You can add a pinch of salt. That's going to help bring all of the sweetness and all of the flavors together. Once our coquito is done blending, you could either transfer it to a bottle or put it in the fridge to chill for about an hour, and then it's ready to serve. Okay guys, our coquito has been chilling in the fridge for about an hour. Let's try it and see how it turned out. Decoration. Perfect. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe.